We pulled up to Tacos El Barbas in Santa Ana. Asada fries. Get it with some pickled onions. Fries under there are still crispy. They have a nice layer of cheese. They use a finer, more kind of ground up asada, but they have it layered all over the fries. And there's crispy bits in there and it has really good flavor. Next, we have a Vampiro de Tripa. Gotta have that crispy tortilla. I like that they put a cheese curd on this. There's beans, and that tripa on top is flavorful, nice and crispy. We also got a Pastor Vampiro. Put a lot of meat on here, but I do feel like the Pastor is lacking in flavor. Last but not least, we have their hot dog. Can't go wrong with a bacon wrapped hot dog. It has huge pieces of grilled onion on there, spice from jalapenos on there, and you get the extra chilito on it if you want it spicier. Last bite.